How's it going, everybody? We're going to do our second breakdown video. We'll go over the trades that we could have taken today and how you could have managed to utilize them. So at 8.12 was our first call out. If we go here, price was at 22,519. And we're saying if we don't manage to break through the resistance and hold above that, then we're likely going to see the top pattern and we'll probably drop down lower because we had all these higher candles and we just kept falling down. At about 9:30 we called out that there was a bearish divergence forming on the 15-minute. So if you look, we had flat price action at 22,727. And I drew it on the stochastic on accident, but the RSI was going down even though price action was flat. And look for our divergence video that we'll be recording this week to kind of get an idea of what the different divergences are, because there's about 8 of them. And we're saying that around this time tomorrow we could see this full triangle breakdown, which is what we're starting to see occur right now, even though it didn't look like that was going to happen throughout this today. So if you go to this afternoon, we had a medium bearish divergence in the morning that turned into a strong bearish divergence in the afternoon. That was where price action was going up, but the RSI was coming down still. We're saying that it was likely this would bring us down, but since it was Sunday, we were due to some price manipulation that could cancel this out. The divergence carried into the 1 hour. That was our green line, or our orange line, and our orange, that's the 15, our orange here. So our orange was our 1 hour, our green was our 15-minute. Our orange was going flat, so we had a medium bearish divergence on the 1 hour. And if you look at the 15-minute, we had a strong bearish divergence because our price was going up and our RSI was coming down. So we had a little bit of a descending triangle that formed within our descending triangle that could have brought us down. That didn't end up playing out. Instead, we wound up with our bearish divergence got canceled out because we made a new high in our RSI. So our RSI made a new high here, and that canceled our bearish divergence out. But we still had a negative stochastic divergence, which those could normally break down on the 5th bounce. We got right up against this trend line here. We made 4 bounces and wound up breaking. So if you go into tonight, that's a little while ago, so we'll just go straight into the chart from here. So from that very first call out of the day, if you would have gone to right here and just done a short there, you could have gotten 0.95%. 0.95 with a 3S token would have given you 2.85%. which if you're going for 7% or better, which would allow you to double your money in a month, then you'd want a little bit more than just that one trade today. If you were taking short position from our second call out from around 9:30, you would have gotten almost a 5% move. That would be 4.95% with a BTC 3S token. And if you would have taken our bull flag, which was at that same location, you could have gotten a 0.86% move in about like an hour. I think that bull flag wound up playing out in, and that was 2.58%. So as you could see, if you wanted to double your money, you could have taken a few trades that we called out today, and you would have been able to do so. Not financial advice. Make sure you use these just as ideas of what we're looking for with our different indicators. If you like what you see, feel free to join our group and you can see our callouts as we make them in real time. Thank you and have a wonderful day.